Hey guys, I'm back to another inform video. Sorry, I'm starting to catch a cold, so if I sound a little robotic or just different, that's probably why. So yeah, cold suck. But it says today's video we're talking about Verizon and how Verizon and how they're price jacking up the price. So they're jacking up the price, should I say? Like I said, stick with me. I'm a little sick right now. Um, So AT&T, of course, did this, and a lot of people are not happy about it. But of course, with inflation and everything going up, people's paychecks need to get inflated as well, and that's not really happening. Everything else going up: gas, house, cell phone bills. So let's get into it, guys, and I'll tell you. They make it seem like, oh my God, it's going up, $20, $50. It's not gonna be too bad. So let's get into it. It says Verizon wireless plan bills getting more expensive with new economic adjustment charge. So just because there's a bunch of, how the economy is and inflation and stuff, Verizon needs to get their money too. So let's get into it. Of course, there's no surprise. I mean, I would expect Verizon to up their price before AT&T, but AT&T is getting a little greedy. So let's get into it. It says 2 weeks ago, AT&T announced that it would be increasing prices for many of its legacy subscribers starting June. Now Verizon's following, of course. I feel like Apple, they're just like Apple and Verizon, you know what I mean? One does something, the other one's like, why? If you're doing it, why can't I? So the price increase is for regular consumers and business accounts. That's a big, I don't know, man. I don't know if you should do that to business accounts. And I'll tell you why. So it says this marks the first time that Verizon has raised prices in 2 years. It says Verizon price increases are coming. The CEO Hans Vestberg really first kind of hinted at this back in April, citing ongoing inflation concerns. Of course, he stopped short of saying price increases were definitely coming, instead saying that the company had plans to be prepared for what it takes, including different types of cost adjustments. It says this marks the first time that Verizon in the last 2 years has really upped the prices. It says, however, the company has increased prices to customers grandfathered into older plans as recent as 2021. Scumbags. It says Verizon is taking a different approach to raising prices this time. The advertised pricing of Verizon's actual plans will stay the same, but it will be adding a new economic adjustment charge. Oh, they're adding hidden fees, man. Don't you just hate that? So they might still say $60 or $7 a month for one line or whatever it is, but they're going to charge you an extra economic adjustment charge with every month on your bill, of course. It says the news was first reported to Bloomberg, and Verizon confirmed the changes through its representatives. According to the company, the economic adjustment charge will be $1.35 per voice line for consumers. For instance, if you have 4 lines on your family plan, that means your monthly increase to the bill will be $5.50. Whoa. That's what they're saying. So not too bad, not too bad. Like I said, per line is going up $1.35. I mean, yeah, it's raising the prices. Well, really, it's giving you hidden fees. But it's not too bad. I mean, if you think about it, how many millions of customers Verizon has, an extra $1.35 per account actually can make a difference, So it says, note that the increase applies only to voice lines per account. For instance, if you have 4 voice lines and 2 data plan only iPad lines, the increase will only come to the voice lines. So that's pretty cool. So if you have iPads, which a lot of businesses do and stuff like that, it will not get a price increase. Business customers will see a bigger increase every month, with data plans data plans increasing by $2.20 per month, and basic service plans increased by 98 cents per month. Ooh. So basic service plan is going to be increased to less than $1.98, but plan data cost will be increased by $2.20 per month, guys. So that's of course, that's tablets, so it'd be probably better if you're a small business, just go with the consumer, because if you have a consumer, it's going to go at $1.35 for voice plans, but for data like tablets, it's not going to go up. So I don't know. I mean, I can see this being smart for them. Like I said, Verizon does have a lot of business customers. They usually have iPads and stuff like that, for work and stuff. So $2.20, that's per line, guys. So imagine a $20 20-line business account, man, that's a lot of money right there. So, says Verizon says these price increases will go into effect beginning with customers' bills sent out in June. The increase of business accounts will begin on June 16. Verizon started notifying consumers of the new economic adjustment charge today. Ugh. While it has also been in direct contact with some of its large corporate clients. Of course, it says the price hike comes from AT&T last month, saying that they would also increase their hidden fees, I would say. But what can you guys do? So basically, if you want the best, if you want to play with the best, you're gonna pay to be with the best, of course. So that's something that, I mean, like I said, I could see Verizon doing. I mean, they're the best here in the US at least. But maybe this could bleed customers if a lot of people don't like it, you know. So who knows? Let me know in the comments below what you think. Like I said, sorry for my nasally voice and the fans going. It's kind of hot in this room, so yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. A lot more videos your way. Dragon Warfare signing off. Take care.